May the 19th, 2019, and just an example of some of the advice I've given about putting 90% of your surplus money into an index fund and playing around with 10%, I thought in the interest of transparency I'd show you what I've done with some spare money. I've been lucky enough to have a bit of spare cash around. And as you can see, in this I've actually done what I said I would do. I put 90% into an index fund. The Vanguard VOO is fine, it's got very low costs, and you can see I've made a bit of money on that. Although when you look at the total of 2.32%, that's been investing the last 10 months, so it's not as good as it could be. And you can see I tried a few things on the total stock market, and that's just left over from a previous transaction. And then you can see the 10% I've got in the amusing stocks. And I think the most amusing of that, of course, is the National Bank of Greece, where I think I've managed to lose, let's just have a quick look, 77% of the asset there. So that was really good. I thought, to do something contrarian when Greece was going under, which has since recovered. But you can see I lost most of my money in that, which is fine. And some punts on Netflix and Tesla and Google and Facebook. So they're all amusing. As I said, it's only 9.49% of the portfolio. So they can go up and down as much as they want. It's really the 90% that's important. So what I thought I'd do is just post this once a month. So the next one will be on June the 19th. And we can see how things have performed. But as you can see, I've in fact taken my own advice with some surplus cash I have and invested 90% into a boring and sensible index fund and 10%, which I'm happy to lose if required, but also happy to make a bit of money with high-risk individual stocks.